Hello, good morning students. I am Kumar Gaurav, Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. I am teaching you class 5th math and today's topic is factor and multiple. Students, then what is a factor? Then if a given number is divisible by that number, if a given number is divisible by that number, is a factor of the given number. Is a factor of the given number. For example, students, 28 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So 1, 2, 4 and 7, 14 and 28 is a factor of 28. Now we know that the prime number. What is a prime number? A number which has exactly two factors. A number which has exactly two factors are called prime numbers. For example, students, the least prime number is 2 and another 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. All these numbers are prime numbers. A number which has exactly two factors are called prime numbers. Composite number, a number which has more than two factors. A number which has more than two factors are called composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All these numbers are composite numbers. Four prime numbers, two different numbers have common factor other than 1. Either we can say two numbers having SCF of 1. Two numbers having SCF of 1. That is called co-prime number. Students, divisibility test. Then in this chapter we will study the divisibility test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 15 also. So student, first of all we know that what is a test divisibility rule of 2. The number which unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. A number which has unit places 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, that number is divisible by 2. That number is divisible by 2. Divisibility test of 3. Students, any number whose sum of digit is divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. Students, 4. Any number which tens and unit place is divisible by 4, that number is divisible by 4. 5. Any number whose unit place is 0 or 5, any number whose unit place is 0 and 5, that number is divisible by 5. 6. Any number which is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so that number is divisible by 6. Students, 8. Any number which unit, tens and hundred place is divisible by 8, that number is divisible by 8. 9. A number which sum of digit is divisible by 9, that number is divisible by 9. 10. A number which unit place is 0, that number is divisible by 10. 11. Student, we can understand the divisibility test of 11 by example. Students, for example, you can understand by this example. If the difference of sum place and if the difference of even place and odd place, then even place is 2 and 8, and odd place is 4 and 6. So first of all we add 2 plus 8 and 4 plus 6. Students, the 2 plus 8 10 and 4 plus 10, and the difference of this number is 0. So it is divisible by 11. If the difference of even place and odd place is 0 or multiple of 11, then it is divisible by 11, students. 12, which is divisible by 4 and 3, that number is divisible by 12. 15, any number which is divisible by 5 and 3, that number is divisible by 15. Any number which is divisible by 5 and 3, that number is divisible by 15. Now we can discuss some question of exercise 10. Okay. Now the first question, student. Pick up the factors of 9 from the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First of all, know that which number can divide 9? 3. 3 can divide 9. So 3 is a factor of 9. So we round them. 4 is divisible by 9? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8? No. 9. So 3 and 9 are the factors of 9. Second question, students. Write the common factors of 36 and 24. Student, first of all we write factors of 36. Factors of 36 equal to 1, because 1 is a factor of every number. 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 18 and 36. Because 36, why we write 36? Because every number is a factor of itself. Now factors of 24, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now common factors. Common factors of 24 and 36. Common factor means the number which is present in both the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. These are the common factors of 24 and 36. Now the student, question number 4. Write the following, the smallest multiple of 5. Any number of itself is a smallest multiple of the number. So the smallest multiple of 5 is 5. The first multiple of 6. The first multiple of 6 is 6. The multiple of 11, which is greater than 50 but less than 60. Greater than 50, 11 5 is 55. 11 5 is 55. That is greater than 50 but less than 60, students. Okay.